Hi, I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Peverill Financial Training Group. Today I'm talking about the Multigeneration home renovation tax credit, which sounds an impressive thing, and I think it is. It doesn't start until 2023, but what it allows you to do is renovate your own home so that your parents or your grandparents can move in. They have to be over the age of 65, and you're creating what we call an in-law suite in your own home. The maximum amount of the tax credit, it's $50,000 in expenses. It's a federal tax credit, so it's 15% of that $50,000 is the amount you actually save. So it's a saving of $7,500. And if you've paid attention to these programs before, you know that there's going to be some rules. The rules are that you have to have receipts from everyone that add up to your $50,000 or less, and every one of those people has to be an HST registrant. So that way, CRA feels that they get more of the underground economy out into the open when they start only allowing tax credits for renovations that are done by people who are HST registered. So this, I don't think, is enough to make you want to have your in-laws move in with you in order to get $7,500 back. But if you were thinking about renovating your home to allow parents or grandparents to move in with you, I suggest that you wait to 2023 when the laws are in effect, and in that way you might be able to save up to $7,500.